You can take a ferry. It goes around all the islands. There's 200 plus small little islands out there. They have different courses. There's one for 1,500 yen, one for 1,000 yen. I haven't decided if I'm actually going to get on the ferry or not. For now, we're going to do everything on foot. I can get better shots that way, better pics. And if I still need more Matsushima action after that, I'll hop on the ferry. Small shrine. I've never seen a bridge like this where the bottom is, well, there's so many holes in the bottom, so many spaces. Here's Godaido. I think I said that right. It looks like we got some views of the bay from over here. Here we are, Fukuda Bridge. You have to pay 200 yen. And you can cross on over, see some crazy people. Oh, look. There's a little road down here. A little secret path. Looks like it goes down to the beach. Let's take a look, shall we? They have a rope here to help people get down, I guess. Down. Down. And it is the beach. Nice. Sounds like people coming up doing the same thing behind me. It's always a good idea to take shortcuts, kids, except in life. In life, work hard. Unless the shortcut will get you there just as well without hurting anyone. And that's a PSA from yours truly. There's a rock here with a bunch of coins in it. I'm not quite sure what this is. And it's like facing towards this kind of like cave. Maybe it's a tomb of some sort, or it's supposed to be for some type of god. I haven't seen one like this before though, it's my first time. Getting hungry. Probably gonna head back to the quote-unquote downtown area part of this island for lunch. It's starting to rain a bit. Luckily I have an umbrella. No one's taking these roads. I'm always worried walking through the like wooded areas in Japan. Especially in Japan, because there's a lot of these, oh, there they are right there. Are you kidding? I don't think you can see it. You can kind of see it. This spider. Speak of the devil. And they're huge, and they have these huge webs. And I'm really tall, so I'm always getting whacked in the face by spider webs. And I hate spiders. I really am afraid of spiders. Pretty much the same view, but from a slight different angle. This is when a magical deer is supposed to come out from the bushes and start speaking to me. So I found a place that I'm going to eat lunch at. This is the menu. Now this area is famous for beef tongue, but I do not really like tongue, so I'm going to have to pass on this. I'm going to get the combo deep fried prawns with rice miso soup, ebi fry teishoku. And then for service, I had some ticket they gave me. I think I'm getting an oyster or something for free. We'll see when it comes. And lunch is served. Let's take a look what I got here. As I said, I got the shrimp, ebi fry. I'm a big fan of shrimp, tartar sauce. There's a few little extras they give you. Tsukemono. Here, this one is the service one. This is the thing I got for free with the ticket. I'm not even 100% sure what this is. Some kind of shell, something inside. Inside with the ebi fry, we also get rice, white rice, and oh, I'm guessing this is soup, miso soup, yes. So there you have it. Looking pretty good. All right. Itadakimasu. Here's one of the many souvenir shops. Umbrella with this handle, looks like a sword. So these places are all over the place in Japan. And you get all your souvenirs. It's very custom to buy omiyage in Japanese. Souvenirs, usually like a lot of snacks and stuff is big. And take it back to, you know, friends, family, co-workers. They have all kinds of things. And the snacks and stuff can range from like cookies to pudding, rice crackers, chocolate. And it's stuff that's usually famous within that area, or like they'll use a character that's big in that area. Musubi Maru, I guess he's the character probably of this area. It's like a musubi, like a rice ball, onigiri. Forehead. Yeah, he's all over the place here, so he must be the character. Ooh, mochi. Sendai mochi, I like mochi. This place has tea kettles, teapots. Ultraman. The stairs say there's something, it's retro up there. I see the word retro. Retro what? I'm not sure. I might have to go look and see. This is where people live. Even the suburbs of Japan, you can still find interesting things to see. I took a little hike and found an awesome view in Shintomiyama? Yeah, Shintomiyama. Fortunately, it's cloudy today, but it's still a pretty good view. Look at all those islands out there. And I believe that is Matsushima Castle, right there. Although it didn't look like much of a castle up close, but I'll go back and check it out. And there's a little rest spot up here. I'm the only one here. I have it all to myself.